going to make a vegetable ring. This is something that's a little similar to maybe a quiche, but there's no crust on it. And it's all vegetables. There is some cheese in it, which you can change out with some vegan cheese if that's what you want to do. You can use almond milk instead of whole milk. So let's get started, and as we go, you'll see what kind of changes you can make. So the first thing, and I got everything ready so you wouldn't have to listen to me chopping and hitting things here. The first thing we have is we have a cup of diced, mushed up mashed carrots. So we're gonna throw that in the bowl. The next thing is we took some frozen broccoli, we defrosted it, and we chopped it up. I would imagine you can use fresh broccoli, no reason why not. Next, we have 10 ounces of frozen corn thawed. Again, you could probably take fresh corn and shave it off and put it in. I don't know, I never tried it, but here we go. We're gonna put it in ours. Up a few more. It also calls for a cup of milk. Again, you can use almond milk or whatever kind of milk you like to use. I'm gonna try this one with regular vitamin D milk. We also have a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. I use the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs just to give it some more taste to it. I'm gonna throw that in. There's a lot of throwing stuff in, can you see? And here is 3/4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Again, use vegan cheese if that's what you want. I'm gonna put that in, or if there's another cheese you like better or it's more fun for you to cook with, go ahead and throw that in. Next, we have a 1/3 cup of melted butter. And just pour all that right in. This is kind of fun. You just get everything ready and you just toss it all in a bowl. How simple is that, right? Then we have it's about half of a cup, I think, of diced onions. I like onions, so I put in a few extra little ones there. So I'm gonna throw that in the bowl. A little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I always go a little light on salt because I figure you can always add salt to whatever you're eating. So I'm gonna just kind of gauge here, a little bit here, just so there's some taste to it. Do you see how easy this is? Seriously? I think the hardest part is getting everything ready. And then I'm going to give it a quick stir before I add the eggs. It says about 3 to 4 eggs. Again, you could put in maybe 3 eggs and see if that brings it all together, kind of just gets it all joined there. Let's see. I'm going to be dangerous here and throw all 4 eggs in. And I'm going to just stir this up. I'm going to show it to you as I'm doing this so you can see. I can't imagine what's simpler, and now with being the new year, we've all had all of our sweets and heavy foods and drinks and all sorts of stuff. Not a bad time to make something a little bit lighter. And the thing funny about this is, I know we used to have this at Thanksgiving as a side dish, and I sometimes just cut it like I'm having a piece of quiche, make a salad with it, or just have some bread with it. It's really good. You can do a lot of things. You can also do these in individual little cups. I'm going to do it in one big pan. So there you go. Everything is now mixed together. Okay, I'm going to take my fancy olive oil Pam spray and spray this very pretty, it's actually a pie dish, but I'm going to use it for this. And then we're going to pour it in. I already set the oven to 300, yeah, nope, 350. I fibbed, it was 350. So the oven is now at 350. I've got my vegetable ring. You know, you could even do this in a, like a butt pan, you know, give it some shape. Do it in a quiche pan. But you just kind of pat everything down, very simple, okay? Pretty, huh? So I'm gonna put this in the oven. It says 30 to 40 minutes, and then we'll see when it comes out, what it looks like. See you soon. Okay, I think it's been about 40 minutes, and I think our vegetable ring is done. Let's check. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna show you how beautifully perfect it came out. Look at that. That's a lot. That feeds a lot of people. as a side dish or even as the main dish. So I'm going to set it down. I'm going to let it cool, and then maybe we'll cut a slice and try it. Hang tight. Okay, you guys, I think it's cooled down and ready to take a taste. Here we go. I'm going to cut it kind of like you would a pie, right? So I'll cut a little piece. Don't want to ruin my dinner, you know. And it cuts nicely. It actually stayed together nicely, so I think putting the egg and the breadcrumbs and the cheese kind of helped pull it together like that. So here it is up close. See all those yummy vegetables in there? So I'm gonna take a bite and let's see how I did. Perfect. I'm convinced you guys would love this. So I'll put the recipe up so you can have the recipe, and let me know if you make it, if you make any changes to it, any suggestions, anything you add to it. So thank you very much for watching. So please tune in, check out our Instagram, check out our Facebook, and we will have all the information up there for you so you can make this yourself. Look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great week. Take care. Bye.